Hey guys, we're going to do something a little bit different today for this 3-Minute Thursday. I'm going to do an unboxing. Welcome to VTEC Academy. You're about to get schooled. Well, I couldn't resist it. The other day I found out kind of something interesting, so I went out and bought a few parts. Just kind of want to show you what they are. First of all, this part right here, this is a turbo manifold. This is for the Type R motor, the K20C, K20C4. It is designed by Full Race. You see their little logo here. And it is made for this turbo right here. This is one of the Borg EFR turbos.
We definitely got to get a bigger tube.
Bigger table? Okay.
Bigger table.
This is the turbo that a lot of people are using for the Type R and making really good horsepower with it. And the way it works is this bolts onto the exhaust manifold and then clamps on via V-band. And it's an internally gated Borg turbo. I believe it is a, let's see, let's read it just to make sure I get this right. This is EFR 6258, okay, and I think people are making upwards of 600 horsepower with this turbo on the Type R. I actually did not get it for the Type R. I found out that you could take the Type R manifold and you could bolt it right up to the K24Z motor. Now this particular manifold doesn't work for that because the turbo, the exhaust outlet is actually slightly larger than this, so I had this made up. This is an adapter that adapts the exhaust from the K24Z to that of the Type R. So this will sandwich in on the head as well. That'll allow me to use this turbo on it, and I want to see what kind of horsepower that K24Z will make using this turbo that's made for the Type R. I'm hoping I'm going to have a really fast spooling 550 horsepower motor, so that's what I bought it for. I haven't quite decided which car I'm going to put it in yet. I'm thinking maybe the CRZ. I think that might be kind of cool to put it in there. As a matter of fact, the K24Z is probably the best engine if you have a 2015 or later CRZ. So that is the plan. We'll see how quickly I can get to it. Anyway, guys, I think it's going to be a fun project, and please tune in for more information on that. Thank you very much for joining me for another episode of VTEC Academy's 3-Minute Thursday, and please think about liking and subscribing, and we'll talk to you next week.